Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how you can create a website for beginners. If you are beginner and want to create a website, then you can simply follow this video and you can create a website like this one. You can change anything you want. You can change the images, you can change the headings, you can simply add or remove the menu. And one more thing, here is a bonus for you. There is a link down in the description. You can simply click on the link and start making money with YouTube. So let's get started with the video and start making our website. So first of all, you need to visit wordpress.com, and here first of all you need to log in, and you can use login with your email address or username, or you can simply continue with Google. I will be continuing with Google. So after login, as you can see, we have this menu. You have to click on my site, and here you can see it says you don't have any WordPress site yet. Would you like to start one? So yes, click on create site, and here you can see it is asking for my site is called. You can name your site. I'm naming it to how to Wi-Fi. So click continue, and don't worry, you can change later if you want to change your name. So as you can see, I will be going on this one. It's free. You can try it. If you're a beginner, you don't need to pay money. So you can try the free templates as you can see right here. And also you can change the templates later if you don't like. So let's suppose we want this one right here. So select, and here you can see the demo preview, that how it's gonna look like. You can check the tablet version, you can check the mobile version. So for now, let's continue, and here you can see it's asking for which feature will you need. So as you remember, we are using free package, so we don't select any of these because it needs paid membership. So we don't want any of these services for now. So click skip for now, and here you can see, scroll down and you can select the free version, free package. Click on select and wait for process to be finished. As you can see, it's asking for welcome to WordPress. So click on skip, and here is your website homepage. So you can simply double click whatever you want to edit. Enjoy your food. It's like you are creating a food website. So in this case, let's see, we want to type anything, view our menu. So I will be writing right here, click me. So if you want to change an image, you can simply click on the image and you can click on replace. You can change any of these. You can upload your own file if you want to change. So in my case, you can change the layout. If you don't like the style, you can simply change it. So after making all the changes, you can simply click on update, and you can preview. As you can see, the changes have been made. So click on customize. It's loading the customizer. So Here is the main customization tool. Here we can change our whole template. So if you want to change the template, for example, you have to simply remove the whole process. You can simply click on WordPress.com, and here you can see you have the admin panel where you have to go to the parents, themes, and here you can see you have the templates. So you can choose again. So let's suppose we want this one as our template. So you can see open live demo. For example, this one, you can see how it's gonna look like. So if you want to activate this template, you can simply click here, activate this design, and you can preserve the previous template setting or previous content, but I'm gonna replace all the content with the new template. So active this template. So as you can see, the template is active. So you can simply click right here to view the site. So as you can see, the template is loaded. So it says your website has been launched yet. Only you can see until it launched. So after making all the changes, you can simply click on launch site and your site will be visible to all of your users. So for now, click edit homepage, and here you can see we can simply click right here, and we have the customization page. You can simply preview, or you can simply click whatever you want to change. So I'm not gonna change from here because it's not that easy. So go to appearance, go to customize, and here you have all the options. So for example, you want to change this one right here and you want to add a logo. You can simply click on site identity and you can select logo. You can select your own file. For example, this one. So you can simply select, and you can crop the size at the dimension whatever you want. So I'm gonna go in with the default one. So as you can see, our logo has been set, but we don't want this one. So simply remove this or simply uncheck this one, and as you can see, the change has been made. So you can simply click on save changes and go back, and you can change the background color as well. You can click right here. It's default. And now you can change the color plate as well. So this one looks, let's click on default. Don't change this one. And here you have all the menus. As you can see, we have our home. Click on add items and you can click new one. Let's see, I want to add an about. So about page has been added. So let's suppose we want to add this one, contact us or services. Sorry. Let's click on add. And also if you want to rearrange any of the templates, you can simply drag, and right here you can simply drag and position as you want. Let's see, if you want this one at the back, you can simply click this one and save changes, and we have dual home. because I don't want this one. So wait for the. So as you can see, our changes have been made. So you can add the widgets, you can change the home page settings. Let's see, we want services as our post page. Whenever you post a blog, so let's add a new menu called blog. Click here. As you can see, there are pages, there are posts. You can add a new post, you can add a new categories, and for categories you should create categories up to 5 or 6. Don't create too much categories, that gonna mess up everything. So now you want to cancel this one. Click on add items, and here you can simply add blog. So you can click on save changes, and you can go back and go to homepage setting, and you can post pages to blog. So whenever you post a new something, so that will be automatically go to blog page. So that's how you can change the whole website as you want. You can change the images, you can change the font, you can change whatever you want. And if you want to edit page, so you can simply go to the wordpress.com and click on pages, and you have here all of your pages. You can simply click on the page you want to edit, click on edit, and here you can edit whatever you want. Let's suppose we want to add this text, and you can simply, this is demo text. So you can subscribe. Sorry for spelling mistake, but you can do it if you want. So here, if you don't like this thing, you can simply drag down and you can reshape the image, the text, whatever you want. It's very easy. You can simply change the width size, you can add new element, click on plus icon, and you can add gallery. Let's suppose we want to select images, click on media library, and you can choose the images you want to display. As you can see, it's very easy. You can change the column size, you can simply select one. That's looking pretty good. So that's how you can simply change anything, and at the last you can click on update and click on preview, click on visit site, and at the end, after making all the changes, you have to simply click on launch site, and here you should click on the last one, skip purchase, and you can simply click on here, start with a free website. You don't need to select any of these. You can simply click right here, start with a free website. So you have your site live. So now any one of you can visit this site. You can simply check right here, you can visit site, and you will be redirected to the website. So now your website is live. That's how you can simply change anything. So that's all for now. I hope you like the video. If you have any question, you can simply ask me in the comments. So for now, that's all. So see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.